children, welcome back. Are you fine? Okay. In the previous class, we studied about megalithic age. Today, we are going to discuss about the last part of this chapter, Sangam age. Are you ready? Have you heard the term Sangam? Sangam was the academy of scholars who collected and published the ancient Tamil works. It was situated in Madurai. The important works in this period is known as Sangam literature. Important works are Pattupaattu, Padittuppattu, Agananur and Purananur. Let's learn more about ancient Tamilagam. The ancient Tamilagam was ruled by the dynasties called the Cheras, the Cholas and the Pandyas. They were collectively known as Movendars. Children, look at the map. The regions where the Cheras, the Cholas and the Pandyas ruled are shown here. The Pandyas ruled in the southern part of South India, Cholas ruled in the eastern part, Cheras ruled in the western part, including Kerala. Understand? The Sangam literature or the ancient Tamil literature tells us that the ancient Tamilagam was classified into 5 geographical regions. They were known as Thinais. Each Thinai had its own geographical features. Let's see which are they. Kurunji, Mullai, Palai, Marudam and Neidal are the main Thinais. Is it clear? Hilly zones are called Kurunji, jungles and grasslands are Mullai, dry land are called Palai, agricultural fields are Marudam and coastal zones are Neidal. These are the geographical features of Thinais. Pepper was abundantly cultivated in the Kurunji region during this period. The foreign traders came to the coastal towns of South India in search of pepper. The features of this age are depicted in the literary works of the period. These are the verses from the Sangam works Purananur. From this we can understand goods were exchanged in the Thinais, trade of pepper flourished, lumps of gold were received in return, there were overseas trade relations and traders came in search of other goods besides pepper. These are the main features of Sangam age. Children, it's time to recall the whole chapter. In this chapter, we studied about Vedic period, Rigvedic and later Vedic period. The period between 1500 BC to 600 BC is known as Vedic period. Vedic period is divided into Rigvedic and later Vedic period. The period of human life described in the Rig Veda is known as the Rigvedic period. Samaveda, Atharvaveda and Yajurveda is known as later Vedic period. The Iron Age of ancient Tamilagam was known as Megalithic Age. An assembly of poets known as Sangam. The ancient Tamilagam was ruled by the dynasties called Cheras, Cholas and the Pandyas. They are collectively known as Movendals. Geographical regions of ancient Tamilagam was called Thinais. They are classified into 5. These are the main topics we studied in this chapter. Did you enjoy this class? Hope you all understood about this well. We will see in the next class with a new chapter. Stay home, stay safe.